Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we have another Magic Mail Monday. But you're safe. No singing this time. So I have 3 packages for you. I suspect that they are all pins. I know that these are pins. I bought these. But this one is from my sweet, sweet friend Cami at Key to Disney. Definitely check out her channel. She just hit 1,000 subscribers. I'm so proud of her. Her channel's great. She does a lot of unboxings and pin content and shop with me's and a lot of Bath and Body Works stuff. Great stuff. She's a great girl. And I'm very excited to see what she sent me. There's a very pretty Mulan sticker on the package, which I love. Very sparkly and pretty. All right. Let's see what we got. This is a total surprise. I didn't do a trade with her. She just has a heart of gold and just sent me something. Didn't have to do that, Cami. So sweet, but you didn't have to send me anything. And there are even extras. They're just super, super cute, like Disney Snacks pencil. It has a cocktail, like a pineapple cocktail, a Mickey bar. Oh, he's so cute. Very like Dole Whip Polynesian vibes. I don't know if it's picking that up. Really, really cute. Oh, it's a straw. I was like, oh, it's a cute pencil. It's not a pencil, I'm just dumb. It is a straw. Well, I'll get a lot of use out of this. Always need a good straw. Hi, Lucky. Hi, Lucky. This is another one of our cats, Lucky. Hi. He was actually a barn cat at our last house, our old house, and we moved to the new house. It was winter time, so we moved him inside, and he's staying inside now. Yeah, so gotten used to the good life, buddy. All right, Lucky. Gotta get down to business, bud. What we got here? Ooh, Jolly Ranchers, not for cats. Another Jolly Rancher. I told you they're not for cats. Lucky. This is not going well at all. What, bud? Oh, I think I get stickers. She sends the best extras. So there's a really pretty Snow White sticker with the 7 dwarves, and then even better, the old hag and the evil queen in the background. Lucky, come on. One of her channel stickers. So this is her. If you see this logo on YouTube, this is my girl Cami. And Lady Tremaine Dorable. So cute! Lucky, for God's sakes. So cute! I love her. She's one of my absolute favorites. A little note says, Dear Beth, I thought this pin would make a great addition to your Evil Queen collection. Cami. I have 2 collections. I have an Evil Queen collection and I have a Lucifer collection. So very, very new to this, just very baby collections, if you can even call them a collection. So let's see what she said. Oh, oh, cute! There's another sticker with Belle and Vanellope. All right, so our pin. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. She pinned it to the bubble wrap. That's clever. Except I'm not as clever and can't get the back off. So it's this super cutie little evil. Look how sweet she is. Like, could you even believe that this is a villain? I mean, look at those rosy cheeks. She looks sweet as pie. Oh, thank you, Cammy. This is so sweet. I'm sorry, I'm so distracted by this cat who will not leave me alone. Sorry about that. I had to go give Lucky some treats because he just would not leave me alone. This pin is stinking adorable. I just can't get over her little face. She looks less like a villain and more like, I don't know, like a little kid playing dress up. I love her. She's so precious. Thank you, Cammy. Give her a little spot right here. And Sophie's here too. I just can't with the cats today. They never come down when I'm doing this. Never. I absolutely love this. It's precious. Her little face. I can't get over it. All right, on to package number 2. These aren't from friends. These are just pins that I bought. So package 1 is from Cool Goods in Florida. Trying to do something. So that's right. I already forgot what I ordered. So this one, my Mickey back off, is a very sassy Lady Tremaine. You know that scene in Cinderella where Cinderella is summoned because Gus got under the coffee cup and Lucifer's chasing him into the sister's room, and then Cinderella gets summoned to her stepmother's room, and Lucifer's kind of in there with her. It's Lady Tremaine in bed petting the smuggest Lucifer. I mean, look at his face. Look at him. I mean, Lady Tremaine's great too, but Lucifer, look at him. I love Lady Tremaine, but I 100% got this pin because of Lucifer's face. So, add it right over here to my Rucifer collection. Look, it's just, he is just the smuggest little cat. All right. And my final package today is from Mouse Dreams in Missouri. Don't remember what this one is either. Oh, there are 2 pin backs, so it's a larger pin than I realized. Oh, and it's pin on pin. So this is a Disney Studio Store Hollywood limited edition 300. And it is the Evil Queen when she's down concocting her potion to make the poison apple. You can see she's got her potion in her hand and her spell book, and not sure why that skull comes into play, but it's there. There's a little pin on pin going on. Oh, look at her. She looks so happy with herself. See, this is little pin on pin. Great, right? This is fun. Like I get it now. I mean, I've been doing this for like 5 minutes and I can already see myself needing a new pin board. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know in the comments which pin you liked the best. Was it the Evil Queen, Lady Tremaine, and Lucifer, or the Evil Queen one that my friend Cami sent me. Don't forget to check out my friend Cami's channel. Again, I apologize for the cat invasion. I was not expecting that. They've never done this before. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye. Lucky says bye.